Hi, good evening, magandang gabi. Tagalog, naimbang nga rabii, Ilocano, and tonight on Learn Ilocano, let's talk about sentence structure or creating sentences in Ilocano. And let's have some examples. Let's have an example and let's use the sentence, the dog is big. The dog is big. First, the determiner, the, comes first, followed by the noun, dog, and last, the adjective, big. It's backwards. The adjective comes first, so the adjective, big, dakkel, dakkel, ti, aso, aso, dakkel, ti, aso. Let's have another example and let's say their dog is small. First, the determiner, their, then the dog, and last is the adjective, small. And it goes backward in Ilocano, and you will find the adjective as the start of the sentence. Small in Ilocano, batit. Batit, ti, aso, da. Da represents the determiner, there, in English. Batit, ti, aso, da. And another example, here's an example using a proper name. Anna is beautiful. And again, in Ilocano, it's backwards and you will see the adjective in the beginning of the sentence. Beautiful. Napintas. Napintas ni Ana. Napintas ni Ana. In an Ilocano sentence, you would often see or hear ti and ni. So, what's the difference? Ti is used before a noun, and we just used ti with the previous examples. And again, examples of using ti before a noun: tibalay, the house; tinagan, the name; tiaso, the dog; tilibro, the book; tilugan, the car; the food; tisida or the viand. And in Tagalog, ti would be the equivalent of nang and ang. And in English, di. So, example, the house is big and the adjective comes first. Dakkel, ti, balay. Malaki ang bahay. The dog is small. Batit, ti, aso. What about ni? Ni is used before names, kinship or relationship, and examples with names: ni Mara, ni John, ni Mark, ni Anna, and kinship: ni Tatang, Tatang, father; ni Nanang, Nanang, mother; ni Manong, Manong, older brother; and ni Manang, older sister. Relationships: ni Kasinsin, Kasinsin, cousin; ni Gayem, 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 friend. And examples with sentences or using ni in sentences or asking questions: where is Anna? Ayan ni Ana. Ayan ni Mara. Ayan ni Mark. Ayan ni John with relationship or kinship. Ayan ni Tatang. Where is Dad or where is Father? Ayan ni Nanang. Where is Mom or where is Mother? What is Ana doing? Inya ar-aramidan ni Ana. What is Dad doing? Inya ar-aramidan ni Tatang. And with sentences, examples, Mark is my friend. Gayem ko ni Mark. Ana is my cousin. Kasinsin ko ni Ana. That's it for tonight. Let's continue in the next video when we will either discuss tenses of verbs or determiners and pronouns in Ilocano. Good night. Bye. And I just want to add, before I say bye-bye, if there's any other Ilocano speakers who would like to add something, any tricks or tips for our Ilocano learners, feel free to leave a comment below if there's something you want to add or I missed something. That's all. Good night. Bye.